My sweet memories of travelogue to Thekadi or Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary and Tiger Reserve. It is located in the Idukki district of Kerala. Thekadi is also known as Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary. It is India's largest wildlife sanctuary. The 120 years old Surkhi Dam built across Periyar River. This sanctuary spread over an area of 777 square kilometers surrounded by an artificial lake over an area of 25 square kilometers. Thekadi is country's sole tiger reserve. Here you can see many wild animals and enjoy rich tribal culture. There are spices and coffee plantation. Thekadi is at an altitude of 700 meters, 2,296 feet above the sea level. It is located in Idukki district of Kerala. Thekadi is a perfect retreat for anyone who loves adventure, fun, wildlife and nature. It is located in the evergreen forest of Western Ghats. In this biggest wildlife sanctuary, you can see Asian elephants, bison, sambar deer, birds, tigers, leopards, wild squirrels, lion, tailed monkeys, extra timing 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. Night safari 8 p.m. Entry fee adult rupees 45 and child 15. Boating 255 rupees. There are ferry boat services by the Kerala Tourism Development Corporation to enjoy the wildlife and surroundings nature. We can see the herd of elephants is an unforgettable experience. It will take 2 hours to complete one boating ride. At the end of the ride, you will be able to see the walls of Mullaperiyar Dam. Bamboo rafting is also available here. Thekadi is a very calm and peaceful place. The chill climate of the Thekadi will refresh your mind and body. The forest department guards are very strict. The nearest town to Thekadi is Kumli. It is 4 kilometers away. This is town also for shopping. You can shop here, handicrafts, spices, clothes. We can stay at Kumli. You can have an elephant ride at a reasonable rate during the rides. You can delve deep into the forest and enjoy the thrilling experience of sightseeing wildlife very near. Trekking also can be done with the help of foresters. There is also several luxury hotels, resorts and homestays in Thekadi, full of accommodation available in the Thekadi. Other than the sanctuary, you can visit places like Murikkad, Chellur Devi, Anakara, Mangaladevi temple and Parandumbara, Ramakalmad Astra. The nearest airport is Cochin and 145 kilometers and Madurai is 114 kilometers. Frequent buses are available from there. The nearest station is Madurai, Kochi and Kottayam. There are many buses from Kottayam, Kochi and throughout the year you can visit Thekadi. The winter is the best time to visit. Thekadi has most festivals at Thekadi. Mangaladevi temple is 1000 years old temple. It is located in Periyar Tiger Reserve. Parandambara village is located in the Idukki district. It is a large area of beautiful atmosphere. Ramakalmad is known as the land of wind. Chillargovil is one of the beautiful waterfalls in Kerala. This waterfall is between September and May. The village famous for grapes.